Now, there is a built-in questionnaire in the software. It's based on the HSE questionnaire, so the Health and Safety Executive questionnaire. Now, if I was in edit mode, I could then access the questions by clicking on the red Q. And I would say I would either answer yes to the question or no, or I can put in some text. And I would just go on to the next question until I'd completed them all, and then I'd click finish. We can also make amendments to our questionnaire. So there is a built-in questionnaire, but you can amend it to suit your organisation.